Hey guys, welcome to another night in the shop. I'm Fred. So tonight's little machining project, not much machining but more of drilling, is we're going to make a little adapter that'll fit over this the D1-4 chuck fitting. I've got a small plate that I've got in the rotary table on the mill. We're going to drill the holes to index these here. I've already indexed these holes here. So we're going to get to the mill and start drilling holes for that plate. I did make a little shaft for it as well. I'll give you shots of that, and hopefully by tomorrow I can start welding up the sides on my rotary table and get some things together. All right, let's get to the mill. Okay guys, so our first mark is going to be at 0. Second hole is going to be at 120. Third hole is going to be at 240. And we're going to drill a little pilot hole. Then we're going to put the 5/8 in there, which is the diameter of those standoffs on that chuck plate there. All right, let's get to it. Oil. That wobbles. Find a shorter drill. All right, let me come back. I'm going to mark all the where all the points are. I'm going to leave the indexing table as is. I'm going to have to drill all the holes and put it on the table and use the 5/8 drill. All right, let me get set up here. You guys got the drill set up. We're going to drill through first on all the points. Then we're going to put her in the vise and drill her with the 5/8 drill. I chowdered up my annular cutter. One of the teeth broke off because I hit the very bottom, so I bottomed out and they just grabbed. All right. Anyways, shit happens. Oof. Let's get to the next point. to the next point. Alright guys, let me get that plate out in the vise and I'll come back. Okay guys, I got the big drill in. We're going to slow down the speed a little bit here and let her dig in real slow. Alright, that's one hole done. Now he's got to move the plate around again and reposition it. And I'll come back. Hang in there. Okay guys, we're on the second hole now. And that's where the annular kind of went halfway through. Okay guys, gonna come back and I'm just gonna reposition the next hole. Hang in there. Okay guys, we're on the last hole now. And we're through. Alright. Let me just put a little chamfer on the where the holes are, and I'll come back. Hang in there. Okay guys, so we finished off this plate. I took a little countersink, took the edges off here. No good out the this side here. Both sides are done. Let's go over and fit her up. Hang in there. Okay guys, this will be the first fit. So let's just see how she goes. Here we go. So I'm going to put a couple grub screws in each one of these sides here to lock into these dogs, and yeah, that'll be the base for the welding indexing table. I machined the shaft earlier on, and I'm gonna weld that on there like that, and that will sit in the worm gear. I just got to carve a little keyway in there, and we're done. All right, guys. So that's it for tonight. A little bit of drilling, and that's about it. All right, hang in there. Okay, guys. I'm a little tired. Yeah. So we got the adapter for this lathe plate here. This is a D14. We got D14 holes here. Got to put a couple grub screws in each one here, just to lock down on the side there, and that's how that plate's going to sit. And we're going to weld that piece of rod up right like that. So that'll sit in there like that. That one will turn, slide into the housing where the worm gear is. And then we just got to add the little features like to tilt the table and everything. So, yeah, that's it for tonight, guys. I'd like to say thanks to all my subscribers. Thanks to all my new subscribers. Thank you for visiting. I hope you enjoyed the video. You guys have a great night. Bye for now.